You know what they say about cleaning, right? It's like brushing your teeth, only it's for your home. And there's no minty fresh breath at the end of it. But don't worry, we've got a solution. So how about we make a homemade disinfectant that's as refreshing as your toothpaste? First things first, let's gather our ingredients. No, not for a cake, though I wish it were. We'll need distilled water, white vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and your choice of essential oils. Got all that? Good. No, you still can't bake a cake with it. Now, let's turn these ingredients into your home's new best friend. First, we'll marry equal parts of distilled water and white vinegar in a bowl. A perfect union, wouldn't you say? Next, we'll invite rubbing alcohol to the party. Little bit of a kick to keep things interesting. Now we're at the magical stage, adding few drops of essential oils. How about using lemon oil or eucalyptus oil? Their invigorating scents not only add a touch of luxury, but also aid in providing antimicrobial properties to our homemade concoction. And voila, you've just created a disinfectant that's effective, easy, and smells pretty darn good. So why go through all this trouble when you could just buy a disinfectant? Excellent question. Well, the answer is simple and threefold. First off, making your own disinfectant is cost-effective. It's like having your own disinfectant factory at home, but without the overheads. Secondly, it's eco-friendly. No more throwing away countless plastic bottles. Mother Nature will be doing a little happy dance. Moreover, our homemade disinfectant is non-toxic. It's as gentle as a kitten on a velvet pillow, but tough on germs. And hey, who doesn't like a bit of customization? With our recipe, you can create a disinfectant that smells exactly how you want it. A whiff of lavender? A touch of vanilla? You're the boss. Now let's recap. Gather your ingredients, mix them up, and voila, your very own disinfectant, ready to wage war on those pesky germs. So there you have it, a homemade disinfectant that's good for your home, your pocket, and the planet. Now if only we could find a way to make brushing our teeth this fun. Did you enjoy learning how to save money and clean on a budget? If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us a lot and lets us know that you appreciate our tips. And to make sure you don't miss out on more budget-friendly cleaning tips, click on the subscribe button below. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Thanks for watching.